Imagine you are lying in a tent at midnight, and everyone around you is fast asleep and silent. You feel completely fine, until you hear that one horrible high-pitched buzzing sound near your ear. You slap your arm, turn on your flashlight, and check your friends, but not one single friend has a bite. Somehow, out of everyone in that tent, the mosquitoes chose only you, like you were wearing a neon sign. This is not bad luck, and it is not your imagination playing tricks on you. Mosquitoes are actually reading your body like a chemical menu, and some people are simply tastier than others. So today, we are going to become mosquito detectives and figure out exactly why they pick you. The first big clue is something you cannot control at all, and it is the very air you breathe out. Every time you breathe out, you release carbon dioxide, and mosquitoes can smell that gas from up to 50 meters away. To a mosquito, that little cloud of carbon dioxide is basically a dinner bell ringing across the whole campsite. The more carbon dioxide you produce, the easier you are to find, which is why bigger people often get bitten more. It is also why pregnant women tend to get bitten more often, since pregnancy increases how much carbon dioxide you exhale. But carbon dioxide is just the first clue, because it only tells a mosquito that a warm body exists somewhere nearby. Once the mosquito gets closer, it switches to a much more specific tool, and that tool is your unique body odor. Your skin is covered in bacteria, and those bacteria eat your sweat and produce the smells mosquitoes actually find delicious. In a famous study, researcher Niels Verhulst found that mosquitoes were strongly attracted to the smell of worn socks. He discovered that people with a greater variety of skin bacteria were actually less attractive to mosquitoes, not more. But people with fewer types of bacteria, dominated by just one or two strains, smelled far more irresistible to them. So strangely enough, having Messier and more diverse bacteria on your skin might actually be your secret defense. Genetics also plays a massive role, and scientists proved this using an experiment involving identical and non-identical twins. In a 2015 study published in PLOS One, researcher James Logan and his team tested twins in a special tube setup. They found that identical twins were bitten at almost the same rate, while non-identical twins had very different results. This told scientists that your genes are directly responsible for the specific chemical cocktail your skin produces. In simple terms, you may have literally inherited your mosquito magnetism from one of your own parents. Your blood type might matter too, though scientists are still debating exactly how strong this effect really is. Some early research suggested that people with type O blood were bitten noticeably more often than people with type A. Scientists believe this might be connected to certain skin secretions that reveal your blood type to a hungry mosquito. Here is another strange one. Drinking a single beer can actually make you more attractive to mosquitoes almost immediately. Researchers believe this happens because alcohol slightly raises your body temperature and changes the sweat you produce. Speaking of temperature, mosquitoes are basically heat-seeking missiles, and your body heat acts like a landing signal for them. This is why exercising outdoors makes you a walking target, since your body heats up and your sweat production increases. Even the color of your clothing can influence how easily a mosquito spots you in a crowd. Mosquitoes rely heavily on vision for their first approach, and dark colors like black, navy, and red stand out clearly against skin tones. So if you are heading outdoors this summer, wearing lighter colors might genuinely help you avoid a few bites. Now let's put all these clues together, because a mosquito is not randomly choosing its victim at all. It first detects your carbon dioxide cloud from far away, then follows your body heat, and finally confirms with your unique smell. This entire process happens within seconds, which is why swatting at a mosquito rarely works before it already landed. So the next time mosquitoes seem to be targeting only you at a party, you are not imagining things. Your genetics, your skin bacteria, your blood type, your body heat, and even your last drink all created a unique signal. And somewhere out there, a tiny mosquito picked up that signal loud and clear, like it was tuned into your personal radio station. Here is the truly humbling part of this whole story. Something you have probably never thought about before. Every single second, your body is broadcasting information about your health, your habits, and even your ancestry without your permission. You did not choose your genetics, and you cannot consciously control your sweat or your skin bacteria either. Yet these invisible signals shape how the natural world responds to you, long before you ever say a single word. In a strange way, a mosquito bite is proof that you are constantly in conversation with the world around you. Maybe the real lesson here is that we are never as separate from nature as we like to believe. Even something as tiny and annoying as a mosquito is simply listening closely to a story your own body is already telling. So next time you get bitten and your friends do not feel unlucky, feel understood on a chemical level.